Understanding Set Ready in English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss, which is the phrase, set ready. This phrase might sound a bit unfamiliar to some of you, but by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. So, stay tuned. The phrase, set ready, is not a common phrase in English, and it might not be found in standard dictionaries. However, it is used in specific contexts, particularly in the film and television industry. To understand it better, let's break it down. Set, in this context, set, refers to the location where a film or TV show is being shot. It could be indoors, outdoors, or on a studio lot. Ready. This means prepared and ready to go. So, when combined, set ready means that the location or set is fully prepared and ready for filming to begin. Now that we understand what set ready means, let's look at how it can be used in sentences. 1. The director asked if everything was set ready before starting the shoot. 2. The crew worked tirelessly to get the set ready for the big scene. 3. As soon as the set was ready, the actors took their positions and filming began. In these examples, set ready is used to describe the status of the film or TV set, indicating that it is prepared for the shooting process to start. It's also helpful to know some similar phrases and their meanings. Camera ready. This means that everything is in place for the cameras to start rolling. It refers not just to the set, but also to the actors, props, lighting, and everything else involved in the shooting. Ready to roll. This is a more general phrase that means ready to start or begin an activity. Understanding these phrases can help you get a better grasp of the terminology used in film and television production. And there you have it, a detailed explanation of the phrase, set ready, and its usage in English, particularly in the context of film and television. We hope this video has been helpful and has cleared up any confusion you might have had about this phrase. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using set ready in your own sentences to get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.